Two payment giants, trusted by millions. One global, one local. Which one really delivers? On the left, Adyen, the global enterprise payment powerhouse. And on the right, Razorpay, India-first digital payment hub. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters. We'll score each category, from features to price, and reveal who truly stands out. The final decision for 2025 might surprise you. Okay, so before we get rolling, here's the game plan. We're going to break this down into a bunch of categories: market focus and reach, features and platform, pricing, integration and API, customer support and onboarding, and finally, use case suitability. Let's see how these two stack up, side by side. All right, jumping right in with market focus and reach. Adyen is, no joke, a monster when it comes to global presence. We're talking support for 250 plus payment methods and over 187 currencies. Online, mobile, in-store, you name it, they've got it. But to be fair, integrating with Adyen can get a bit gnarly, especially if you're a smaller merchant. Razorpay, though, it absolutely nails the Indian market. UPI, net banking, wallets, you get super easy onboarding and local compliance. But yeah, internationally, not so much. And if you want to take payments outside of India, you're also going to run face first into some higher fees. So for this round, Adyen quietly takes the win. But I gotta give Razorpay props for just crushing it locally. Moving on to features and platform. Adyen just flexes with its enterprise-level features. Think advanced anti-fraud, crazy detailed analytics, seamless omni-channel support, recurring payments, full PCI compliance. The catch? You do need some real technical chops for setup. On the flip side, Razorpay is awesome if you want totally easy integrations for e-commerce, super fast settlements in India, plus cool extras like lending and payroll. They offer a lot, but the global options and analytics are just on a different level with Adyen. So Adyen wins again here, but Razorpay makes life surprisingly easy for Indian businesses. Let's talk pricing, because honestly, who doesn't want to get the most value? Adyen does a custom pricing thing with no setup fee, but don't be fooled. The premium features come at a, well, premium. SMBs especially might find transaction costs a bit steep. Now, Razorpay is way more transparent. It's 2% plus GST flat out for domestic transactions. For Indian merchants especially, this is just super cost effective. But international fees? Yikes. Sometimes 5 to 10%. That's where it stings. But for the local market, Razorpay totally wins. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Adyen processes payments for Netflix, Spotify, and eBay, while Razorpay powers over 8 million Indian businesses like Zomato and Swiggy? That's some serious scale on both sides. Next up, integration and API. Adyen's API is honestly fantastic, robust, crazy detailed, and handles almost any complex scenario you can think of, if you have a dev team that can handle the steeper learning curve. But like, for a lot of people, that's a pretty high bar. Now, Razorpay, their integration is so beginner-friendly, it's unreal. Whether you're building web, app, whatever, it's simple, well-documented, and indie devs in India legit love it. You're not going to get the global customization of Adyen, but I mean, for most Indian businesses, it nails it. So Razorpay takes this one. Let's get into customer support and onboarding. So, Adyen gives you that 24/7 enterprise support and hands-on onboarding, which sounds awesome, but might feel a little much for smaller players. Plus, onboarding can drag on a bit. Meanwhile, Razorpay just makes it so easy. Instant activation is literally standard in India, and the KYC is super quick. Only catch, if you're outside India, you might end up waiting a bit longer for support. Honestly, both come out looking pretty good here, so I'm calling this a tie. And finally, use case suitability. Adyen is built for global, high-volume, omni-channel businesses. Like, if you're aiming to be the next Netflix or something, this is your jam. But if you only care about domestic action, it's probably overkill. Razorpay, on the other hand, is the dream for Indian SMBs, SaaS companies, and anyone desperate for India-specific payment solutions. If you're thinking purely international, Razorpay might not fit, but for Indian operations, it's perfect. Honestly, both platforms are just so good in their own lanes. So, yeah, another tie. So if you look at the scores, Adyen crushes globally and for features, but Razorpay just dominates on price and integration for Indian businesses. The surface level numbers tell one thing, but context is everything here. Alright, so here's where I land. If you're a global business, high transaction volume, complex needs, go Adyen. Seriously. But if you want to set up payments in India with crazy fast onboarding and totally transparent pricing, Razorpay is just a no-brainer. No one-size-fits-all winner. But now you know where each really shines. If you found this breakdown helpful and you want more fintech deep dives, follow along for more actionable comparisons and updates. See you in the next one.